everyone! Welcome to Happy Math Learning! In this video, I will share how to transform the quadratic function in general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c into standard form or vertex form y equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k and vice versa. Guys, huwag po kayo mahiya na pindutin ang subscribe button at i-click ang notification bell para maging updated para sa mga susunod pa nating mga video. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na! Bago ang lahat, tingnan muna natin kung ano ang tamang sagot sa ating activity sa nakaraang video lesson. Now, let's proceed. When we say quadratic function, it is a second degree function of the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The general form for quadratic function is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, while the standard form or vertex form is f of x equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. But what are the steps in transforming general form into standard or vertex form? How about standard form to general form? Here are the following steps. Number 1, group together containing x. 2, factor out a. Number 3, make the expression in parentheses a perfect square trinomial by adding the value of 1/2 b squared and subtracting the same value to the constant term. Number 4, simplify. Number 5, express the perfect square trinomial into square of binomial y equals the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. We have two methods in transforming general form into standard or vertex form. Let's try this one. Transform y equals x squared minus 6x minus 6 into y equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. First, write the given. Y equals x squared minus 6x minus 6. First step, group the terms containing x. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng terms na may variable, pagsasama-samahin natin sa loob ng close and open parentheses, at ang constant ay sa labas. For step 1, y equals the quantity of x squared minus 6x minus 6. Step 2, factor out a. If you notice, the value of a is 1. No need to factor out a. Step 3, make the expression in parentheses a perfect square trinomial by adding the value of 1/2 squared of b and subtracting the same value to the constant term since a equals 1. Y equals the quantity of x squared minus 6x plus blank minus 6 minus blank. Kung napansin nyo, naglagay ako ng plus blank sa loob ng parentheses at minus blank sa kasunod ng constant. Dahil ang 1/2 b squared ay dito natin lalagay at ang product ng a and 1/2 b squared ay dito naman. Pero kapag ang a equals to 1, kung ano ang nai-add natin sa loob ng parentheses, same value din ang isusubtract sa constant term. Let's get the value of 1/2 b squared. The value of p is negative 6. Substitute this to the formula of 1/2 b squared. Kaya yung b magiging negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2 equals negative 3. Negative 3 squared equals positive 9. Add this value inside the parentheses and subtract to the constant term. And subtract the same value to the constant term since a equals to 1. Dito pagkuha ng value na isusubtract sa constant term. Get the product of a and 1/2 of b squared. Ang value ng a is 1 and ang nakuha natin value ng 1/2 b squared ay 9. Kaya 1 times 9 equals 9. Ito ang isusubtract natin sa constant term. Pero ang pinaka-shortcut na paraan o dapat tandaan kapag ang value ng a is 1, kung ano ang nai-add nyo sa loob ng parentheses, same value ang isusubtract sa constant term. Step 4. Simplify. We get y equals the quantity of x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 15 because negative 6 minus 9 equals negative 15. Step 5. Express the perfect square trinomial into square of binomial. Ito ay tinatawag na perfect square trinomial at ito naman ang square binomial. Para maging square binomial, get the square root of x squared equals x. Copy the sign of the middle term. Square root of 9 is 3 and then bring down negative 15. Therefore, the vertex form or standard form is y equals the quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 15. Another example, transform y equals 3x squared plus 6x plus 7 into standard form. First, write the given y equals 3x squared plus 6x plus 7. First step, group together containing x. Y equals the quantity of 3x squared plus 6x plus 7. Second step, factor out a. If you notice, the value of a is 3. To factor out a, we divide the terms inside the parentheses by 3. 3x squared divide 3 equals x squared. 6x divide 3 equals 2x. Bring down 7. Step 3. Make the expression in parentheses a perfect square trinomial by adding the value of 1/2 b squared and subtracting the product of a and 1/2 b squared to the constant term. y equals 3 times the quantity of x squared plus 2x plus blank plus 7 minus blank. Kunin muna natin ang value ng 1/2 b squared. The value of b is positive 2. We substitute the value to the formula. 2 divided 2 equals 1 and 1 squared equals 1. So we add positive 1 inside the parentheses. Para malaman kung ano ang ating value na isusubtract, get the product of a and 1/2 b squared. The value of a is 3. Substitute 3 and the value of 1/2 b squared is 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. Therefore, we subtract negative 3 to the constant term. Step 4. Simplify. Y equals 3 times the quantity of x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4. Kaya ito naging 4. It's because 7 minus 3 equals 4. Na-simplify lang natin constant term. Next, step 5. Express the perfect square trinomial into square of binomial. Bring down y equals 3, open parenthesis. Square root of x squared equals x. Copy the sign of the middle term, positive. Square root of 1 equals 1 and bring down positive 4. Therefore, the standard form is y equals 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4. Now, let's proceed to transforming vertex or standard form into general form. For example, number 1, transform y equals the quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 15 into general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. First step, expand y equals the quantity of x minus 8 squared plus k. Y equals the quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 15. Bring down y equals, open parenthesis, x times x equals x squared. Negative 3x plus negative 3x equals negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals positive 9. Then bring down negative 15. Step 2. Multiply perfect square trinomial by a. Since ang value ng a natin is 1, so y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 15, proceed to step 3. Simplify. So bring down y equals x squared minus 6x. Simplify 9 minus 15 equals negative 6. Therefore, the general form is y equals x squared minus 6x minus 6. Another example. Transform y equals 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4 into general form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. First step, expand y equals the quantity of x minus h squared. Y equals 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4. The square root of binomial x plus 1, x times x equals x squared, x plus x equals 2x, 1 times 1 equals 1. Step 2. Multiply perfect square trinomial by a. 3 times x squared equals 3x squared, 3 times 2x equals positive 6x, 3 times positive 1 equals positive 3, bring down positive 4. Step 3. Simplify. Bring down y equals 3x squared plus 6x. Then, positive 3 plus positive 4 equals positive 7. Therefore, the standard form or the vertex form is y equals 3x squared plus 6x plus 7. For the second method, gagamit tayo ng vertex form and the formula of h and k. Example number 1, transform y equals 3x squared plus 6x plus 7 into standard form. The formula for h equals negative b over 2a and k equals 4ac minus b squared over 4a. First, identify the value of a, b, and c. A equals 3, b equals 6, c equals 7. And now, use h equals negative b over 2a, substitute the value of b and a to the formula of h. We get h equals negative times 6 over 2 times 3. Negative times positive 6 equals negative 6. 2 times 3 equals positive 6. Negative 6 over 6 or negative 6 divided by 6 equals negative 1. Next, k. K equals 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Substitute the value of abc to this formula. We get 4 times 3 times 7 minus 6 squared over 4 times 3. 4 times 3 times 7 equals 84. Bring down negative. 6 times 6 equals positive 36. Next, 4 times 3 equals 12. 84 minus 36 equals 48. Bring down 12. 48 divide 12 equals 4. The value of k equals 4. Now, let us use the vertex form and substitute the value of a, h, and k. The value of a is positive 3, so we write positive 3. X minus h, the value of h is negative 1. Negative times negative 1 equals positive 1. And k is positive 4. So, positive 4. Therefore, the standard form is y equals 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 squared plus 4. Now it's your turn. Match quadratic function from column A with its equivalent form to column B. Show your solution. Para sa answer key ng activity nito, watch next video. That's all for this video lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for next topic. Thank you for watching.